Good afternoon and welcome to CBS Automotive. In this short video we'll just be talking you through a bit about the installations that we've carried out on this Audi R8 V10. This is the 2016 model that we've been working on. So what we've installed is the Thinkware F800 Pro dash camera. Also it's had a security upgrade using category 5 Thatcham approved tracker, as well as Target Blue Eye. With Target Blue Eye, we've done something quite unique. We've actually modified the vehicle to make it look really OEM, completely hidden away and really discreet. So what I'll be doing when I step inside the vehicle, I'll be showing you a bit more about how that product works. So as you can see, an absolutely stunning vehicle. So what we'll do is we'll just step inside. As you can see, the vehicle has been washed and hoovered as well. So that's all there. So as I step into the vehicle, we'll start with the category 5 tracker. So we've got the key here, and then you've got this additional ADR tag here as well. So with this system, it comes with its own application that you can use on your phone, so you can track the vehicle yourself on your phone. But also Vodafone themselves have access to the full tracking of the vehicle, and also can remotely immobilise the vehicle too. More details, we do actually have a designated category 5 protect and connect page listed on our website, so you can see that there. Second product we've installed is the Thinkware F800 Pro dash camera. So this is on this particular vehicle, we've gone for the single channel, so it's just front only system. So as you can see from the driver, it's really discreet. There's no cabling visible pretty much whatsoever. If I zoom in there, I mean, you can see a very little bit. That's looking right in at the camera from the driver's view. Nothing really at all, which is really nice. Also, one of the main features of the product is it has parking mode. So if this vehicle, obviously it attracts attention. If anyone bumps into the vehicle while it's parked, then it obviously it carries on recording through that. So it's got parking mode, also does speed camera detection, and also it creates its own little Wi-Fi bubble within the vehicle, so then you can access the footage straight from your phone, or also through the 16 gig on this particular SD card on this particular model. If you go for the front and rear solution as standard, that comes with a 32 gig SD card. So obviously in the rest of the vehicle, everything looks exactly the same. On the Target Blue Eye, we've used our very own T30 antenna. We do recommend this over any other aerial on the market at the moment. So it's a bumper mount, so it's completely hidden away, nothing's visible. Performance is increased, and also your distance is also increased there. For more details on Target Blue Eye, visit targetblueye.co.uk, and that's our main website for that product. And the Thinkware F800 Pro dash cam, that can be found on our website under Thinkware. So I'm just going to start up the vehicle. First of all, it sounds incredible, but there you can see Target Blue Eye working built into the mirror. So normally there's a little display that most people mount. We went the extra mile on this particular vehicle, and we've actually integrated it into the factory mirror. So that is the original Audi R8 mirror. So it's pretty cool, and we've added in two little buttons at the bottom, so you can see 1 and 2 just there. And as you can see, Blue Eye's working its way because we're opposite Cambridge City Centre train station, and that's picking up the British Transport Police over there. So it's working perfectly as it should. So there you go. So it looks really cool. Installed, obviously nothing's visible when Blue Eye's not picking anything up. Looks back to a normal mirror. And obviously you can adjust the brightness on this and volume as well. So it works exactly the same as the normal Blue Eye device. And back up, the volume goes up back up to full. And you can also set your mode, so that's inner city, then you've got your 3 city modes and your highway mode. Really cool product. Basically what Target Blue Eye does, it's an emergency service warning device. So it alerts you for all approaching emergency service vehicles, whether that be fire, ambulance, police, unmarked police, as well as air ambulance as well, and British Transport Police. So it's basically picks up on the Tetra signal, and then it translates that onto the device, Doesn't distinguish between a police car or an ambulance, and it really is a brilliant safety device. We use all of these 3 products in our own vehicles, so we know how they work. If we've done more installs than anyone in the UK combined of Target Blue Eye itself, and that's why we can install something like this. So if you would like anything like this modified into your vehicle, complete, so it's using OEM parts and we've just built it into the back of the mirror. Does take a bit of time to do, and it's a very delicate art form to do as well. So if you have anything like this that you'd like doing, any modification on your vehicle to integrate a product through, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, or just search us up online, either on our main website, which is cbsautomotive.co.uk. We've got a specialist Cambridge car audio site, which is cambridgecar.audio, and then Target Blue Eye is our specialist site as well, and that's just targetblueye.co.uk. So obviously an absolutely stunning vehicle. So that's a product that works really, really well. We've tested that on this particular vehicle as well. So as you can see, again, it's been washed and hoovered like every install that leaves our premises. We also offer a collection and delivery service as well, so that can also be arranged. So if you are located anywhere in the UK, don't worry, we can still carry out the installation for you, don't worry. It's just that obviously we'll just be coming over to pick up the vehicle, so it's nice and convenient for yourself. So for anything like this, you've got all our details. I'll be posting the links below. So any more pictures of the modified mirror, follow us on Instagram as well. So thank you very much for watching our short video, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.